Hi students, now we are going to learn exercise 3.3 continuation. Already we did exercise 3.3 first question. There are 3 subdivisions we completed. Now we are going to solve question number 2. What is the question? Find the LCM of each pair of the following polynomial. Find the LCM of each pair of following polynomials. So first subdivision, let us consider the first polynomial be f of x. F of x is equal to a square plus 4a minus 12 and g of x. G of x is equal to a square minus 5a plus 6 and their GCD is given. GCD is equal to a minus 2. Now we are going to find LCM. How to find? By using relationship between LCM and GCD concept. We know that LCM into GCD, which is equal to product of the two polynomials f of x into g of x. If you want to find LCM, this GCD becomes denominator. So what do we have? F of x into g of x, which is equal to, which is divided by GCD. That's all. So the formula for finding LCM is equal to f of x into g of x divided by GCD. If they ask to find GCD, means you divide by LCM. Then some more problems they will be given like that. F of x given, LCM GCD is also given, find g of x, like that. So we may ask different type of question from this concept. So LCM is equal to f of x into g of x divided by GCD, right? Here the GCD a minus 2, it is given in its linear factor a minus 2. This is linear polynomial, but this and this are quadratic polynomial. Let us find its linear factors, linear factor of this two polynomial. So first one, a square plus 4a minus 12. Actually this is a quadratic polynomial. Now we are going to know how to find their linear factors. The quadratic polynomial have two linear factors. Here quadratic polynomial of variable a. This is the constant term minus 12 we write here, and the coefficient of a, that is plus 4, we write here. Now this minus 12 is product of two numbers. Minus 12 is product of two numbers, and this 4 is sum of the same two numbers. Can you find? This minus 12 is product of any two numbers, and this 4 is sum of the same two numbers. It is very easy. 12, this is multiple of 2 and 6 and 4 and 3. So here I am going to take 2 and 6. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. 2 minus 6 is equal to 4. Minus 4. If you take minus 2 plus 6 means 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Better we take minus 2 plus 6. Listen carefully. Minus 2 into 6 is equal to minus 12. And 6 minus 2 equal to 4. So it can be written as a minus 2 into a plus 6. These two are the linear factors of this quadratic polynomial. If you know whether this is right or wrong, you just multiply them. A into a into 6, minus 2 into a, minus 2 into 6. You can get this quadratic polynomial. Like I am going to find the linear factors of the second polynomial. Second polynomial, that is a square minus 5a plus 6. So here product of the two numbers is 6. Sum of the same two numbers is equal to minus 5. Product of the two numbers is 6. Sum of the same two numbers is equal to minus. It is very easy. 3 into 2 6. But 3 plus 2 equal to 5. If minus 5 is there means we should give the sign minus. Both numbers have minus sign. Minus 3 into minus 2 equal to 6. Minus 3 into minus 2. Negative into negative, positive. Minus 3 plus of minus 2 is equal to minus 5. When we add these two factors, two numbers will get minus 5. I hope you understand this. So this can be written as a minus 3 into a minus 2. Right. Now come to the conclusion. LCM, which is equal to, already we have written f of x into g of x by GCD. Instead of this f of x, a square plus 4a minus 12, we can take its linear factors, that is a minus 2 into a plus 6 into g of x, a minus 3 into a minus 2 whole divided by their GCD, that is a minus 2. So this a minus 2, this a minus 2 will be cancelled. So LCM, which is equal to a minus 2 into a plus 6 into a minus 3. I hope you understand this concept.